Hi everyone. Well, today is Hosta Day. We are going to plant some hostas in this Zone 3B garden. My name is Jacqueline and this is Creating My Garden Canada. And I am in the Zone 3B and I got some plants on sale and we're going to put them in here. And I'm just digging the holes and preparing and then I'll show you what I got. So what we are planting is a variety of hostas and I got some Brunnera. Can you believe it? I've never seen Brunnera for sale here in Saskatchewan. I need to hit the greenhouses more. And I'm so happy they had two plants. These are all dollar plants, but I got some cool hostas that I do not have in my garden. And I'm going to go through these and show you what I got. For those of you that love hostas, this is Empress Woo. This is a proven winners one. It's a big hosta. So I'm putting it at the back of the bed. And this plant was regularly $29.99. I got it for $1. This one is going to grow 1.2 meters high, so it's definitely going at the back. I think Empress Woo is taller than Sum and Substance, which I have a lot of. So that's pretty cool. Max spread is 72 inches. Zones 3 to 9. So that's Empress Woo. Nice big hosta. Excited about that one. And we'll go to the back here. Next on the list is going to be drinking gourd. And this plant's called drinking gourd because it collects water in its leaves. You can see how curly they are. And they collect the water. So it's called drinking gourd. It was regular $19.99. I got it for $1. Everything $1. Dollar sale. Height 60 centimeters, 24 inches. You want to keep it about 46 inches apart. I'm planting thick though. They're going to bloom July, August. Part shade, full sun. They're good to -50 Fahrenheit, 46 Celsius, USD Zone 2. Sweet. Hosta, Cyboldiana elegans. I have this one already in my garden, so I'm going to add another one. It's once again Zone 2, 60 to 75 centimeters, and it is hardy Zone 2, which is fabulous. And the last hosta I am planting, which I thought was so pretty, is Dancing Queen. She is a lime green. She should look beautiful in here. She was the hosta of the year 2020. She likes part shade, full shade. So she's perfect here under the evergreens. She's going to get 28 inches high, supposed to put 30 inches apart. Bloom July, August, part shade. -40 Celsius, -40 Fahrenheit, USD Zone 3. That's the hostas. So I have 4 hostas we're going to plant. Now, I don't have a lot of information on this Brunnera, but this is Brunnera Sib Bug Emerald Mist, 1 gallon. And I'm going to put it up near the front. Because just looking at the leaves and all, I don't think it's going to be horribly big, but big enough that it should not be front stage in my bed. And I have 2 of these. And I talked to the staff about these because there was no detailed tags on them. And I've never grown Brunnera before. And they said, yeah, they're hardy, -40, zones 2 to 9. And you will have no problem growing them. They will be beautiful in your garden. You'll be very happy. So, and they're kind of a silvery foliage and kind of mottled. I think other gardening channels in the US have these regularly and lots of them in the gardens, but this is the first time for me. So I have 2 of them. So let's get planting. So I'm just going to lay them out where I want them. And you'll notice Empress Woo's going to the very back because it's a biggie. So the 2 Brunneras are going up here in the front. Right there. So they're spread apart. Empress Woo is going away back here. He'll give some protection to the clematis that's here. I have 2 clematis here that are taking a little while to get going, but he'll give some protection there to them because they do like their lower stems near the ground shaded. Okay, now we are going to put hosta drinking gourd. I want them up front so you can see them really well. So I'm going to put drinking gourd here and Sibona there. So get some more blue into that bed because it does not have enough blue. And then finally, my little dancing queen is going to go right over there. And I'm going to put I will put my gloves on to do these. And we'll start with dancing queen since I'm here, and I'll leave the tags in the ground with them, and hopefully the tags stay for the winter. After a while, they're kind of hard to identify. It takes me a lot to figure them out for videos. Okay, let's pop this out. So this is Dancing Queen, the lime green, or chartreuse. And we're just going to push some of that soil down. And on these hostas, I leave the leaves on for the winter. I do not cut hostas back because it protects them. I learned that the hard way. Okay, Dancing Queen, done. Check. Empress Woo. So excited to find this one. I've been looking for this one for a while. I love giant hostas. They do take a lot of space, you guys, but man, are they worth it. She has great roots on it, you'll see here. So we're just going to put her in. I'll take a little bit off the bottom just to open it up a bit. Okay, that's Empress Woo. Got a nice root ball on this one too. She looks good. A little bit of a weed there. We'll take that out. We don't need any additional weeds. We've got enough of our own. Just filling any air holes, making sure she's in there good. She might get a little crowded out by the hosta behind it, but you know what? I like the bed full, so that is okay. Let's do the next one right over here. I want this bed like totally full. I want it full of hostas and foliage to the point where there's no soil showing. That's my goal. And I think this will be a nice contrast to the green of the heucheras. Take a little bit off this one, open it up a bit. There we go. Over she goes. So I'm going to put in next Sibyldiana elegans, and then we're going to put the drunken one in. Oh my God, you guys, that drunken one might become my favorite just because I think it's kind of cool. I think it's going to look really good there. And if it looks good, man, I'll be splitting it and handing it out to friends and family and stuff because it will be so cool. There's lots of people with shade gardens because our climate is so dry and hot. So a lot of people grow hostas. So it's not hard to hand off hostas to friends. And I take some of these roots out of this, put it here. And then we'll do drinking gourd. I said drunken, but it's drinking gourd, which is kind of funny. All right. So drinking gourd is in there. Cibon elegans there. Our Brunneras are right there, right there. We have Empress Wu there. And then we have Dancing Queen right over there. Dancing Queen really stands out with the silver foliage, not the silver, the lime green foliage or chartreuse foliage. The heucheras are also lime green, so it's going to draw a lot of attention. All right, so that's a good job done. You can see my Sum and Substance hostas, and a lot of them have gone yellow in here. It's just that time of year. Soil is getting, we're still watering a lot, so they're getting moisture in that. And I will water these guys all in good to make sure that they get a good start. And we may get some rain tonight too, the way it's clouding up, but maybe it'll just be cloudy. I don't know. I do have Taga over there, clematis, to cover because it's not hardy for my zone, so I'll have to cut her back and cover her for winter, and that's fine. I am running more clematis in these beds along this fence because it needs coverage, as you guys know. You know, some people park their stuff there, neighbor parks stuff there, and then, you know, that's what you're looking at in videos, which I don't like, but I can't do anything about other than plant to cover it. I do love the fence though, but we'll get there. It's just going to take time. So I'll need more shade-loving climbers in here next. That'll be what I'll be putting in. And we still have a hosta here. Crazy hosta that it is. You can see it. It's got blooms on it still. So I don't cut the blooms back over here on these. I leave them for the pollinators, you guys. So that's fine with me. I'll leave it for the winter. So all in all, that was a good job done. And I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to see them next spring, how beautiful they're going to be and how huge they are. And every year hostas get better and better. So thank you for watching, everyone. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget the usual stuff. Subscribe, share, thumbs up, like, and hey, don't forget to leave me some comments. I love hearing from you and chatting with you. I do get to all comments, you guys. At this point in stage in the game, I can get to all comments and chat with you guys, and I love it. Bye.